and you're on the shore where the silver boats come and go, you'll find ebb and flow. The tide may be high or low, the sun has a golden glow. This way where the silver boats come and go, you know, you can always find ebb and flow.
Flo received a special letter. Oh, Ebb, we've been invited to a fancy dress party. But we've got nothing to wear. Ma took Ebb and Flo to see Granny. She had lots of dressing up clothes in her old treasure chest. Now, let's see what we can find. Ebb loved visiting Granny's house. There were so many interesting places to explore. Flo found just what she was looking for. I'm going to be a pirate, and Ebb can be my salty sea dog. Where is she, bird? Ebb was having a great time. She'd found some mud. What have you been doing? Yuck! You can't go to a fancy dress party like that. Ebb needed a bath. Flo filled a bucket with water and squirted in some of Granny's bubble bath. You're going to smell of roses, Ebb. But Ebb didn't want to smell of roses. Oh! Ebb, come back! Ho, ho, ho! I'm Pirate Flo. You could be my parrot, bird. And this is our pirate ship. Now then, me hearties, where be that dirty dog? Flo had a clever idea. This is the treasure. X marks the spot. It wasn't long before Ebb felt hungry. This was a great game. Aha! Gotcha! Ebb was cross. Pirate Flo had tricked her. By now, Ebb's fur smelled sweetly of roses. It's time to go to the party, Flo. Come on, Ebb. Ebb was still sulking. Don't you want to go to the party? Bye then.
Whoops.
Oh, Ebb. Now Ebb looked like a proper salty sea dog. Ebb and Flo had a wonderful time at the party. They even won the prize for the best fancy dress. I'm glad we're friends again, Ebb. Ebb was glad too. Things couldn't be better.